Welcome back. Now, in cases where you're going to have more than 100 attendees, you're going to want to host a webinar. Now, on the webinar, you will not be able to have more than 100 participants. However, you will be able to have those 100 participants plus other attendees to view the content. Now, to do that, you're going to need to do that from your webinar section. And you'll notice that one of the things that a webinar allows you to do is to monetize your individual events using PayPal and Zapier. Now, in order to do that, you're going to need to add your webinar plan onto your Pro plan. That means then that you're going to need to go to your billing section of your account. And then what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to your webinar add-on. And you'll see it here in the bottom panel. And you'll see that as of the recording of this video, the webinar add-on is an additional $40 every month. What you'll do is you'll click this add button. Now, what you'll be determining is how many participants on your calls you'll be having. So if you want to have more than 100 people participating with you, with their camera, and the ability to interact with you, you'll want to up that number from 100 to either 500 or 1,000. However, if you want 100 participants and you want the others to be able to view your content, you'll be able to do that using the webinar feature. And you can start at the lowest plan. Now, one of the things about Zoom is that you can flexibly add a program on. So you can choose not to add this feature to renew every month. So if you want to use the webinar feature for 1 month, you can do that, and you can set it so that it will not auto renew. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add the webinar feature. Now, you'll notice again that we have upgraded our account. You'll also notice then that the 100 participants can engage with up to 10,000 viewers. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the user section. We're then going to go and edit our user. We're then going to enable this individual for a webinar, and we're then going to click Save. Once we do that, we'll go back to My Webinars, and you'll notice now that the webinar section is then available, and we can now schedule a webinar. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.